Just a few days ago, as we prepared to send the month of June packing, Elon Musk had been all shades of silence on Dogecoin and the entire crypto market as a whole. It was beginning to seem like a potential cop-out on Dogecoin after he's led it to its current status. You don't remember? Well, let me refresh your memory. It's been a crazy couple of months as Dogecoin has been going through a downtrend that has led to some people suggesting that it had reached a deep end and would probably hit $0 on the way down. The coin is not even expected to reach that low if a full-scale redevelopment project is embarked upon. Well, that's the now familiar yelp coming from critics who criticize Dogecoin for its lack of a solid utility compared to other cryptocurrencies which they believed will give traction to its value and make it solid. Today on Crypto Lion, we'll be looking at what the tweet made by the Doge father, Elon Musk, means for Doge investors. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description for daily signals and a community of like-minded traders and investors. And now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular investment goals. And we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for VIP access on Discord, which gives you exclusive benefits far beyond the free features. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and pinned comment. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Dogecoin's price action has been dramatic enough without many people in the crypto market believing in its ability to attain something meaningful since the year began. The coin that started the year at around half a cent is now flying at about 800 times its start-out value for the year 2021. It peaked on the 8th of May at 70 cents for the first time, but it's fallen some way since after losing over 350% to settle at around 20 cents. It even broke through the support to test lower levels around 18 cents. It seemed like the beginning of the end, which was coupled with the continued silence of Elon Musk throughout the huge sell-off that comprised the movements of Dogecoin. We can say that Elon Musk has drawn a lot of interest to Dogecoin for the best part of this year. He claimed the appellation of the Doge Father, which was a comic mimicry of the popular Godfather, which was appreciated by his over 50 million social media followers. He'd always been present to put in a word or two for the asset time and time again. You can understand the awkwardness that accompanied the silent period coming from someone who sure knew how to say so much with just memes in a fun way, and he would only need to post a Doge meme or joke and the coin's price would respond positively with spikes. The crypto market was pretty dreary, and a single statement of Doge to the moon would have lifted the mood of Doge investors and maybe Dogecoin itself. The bearish market is surely a bad time to keep quiet, and it went on for weeks since anyone heard anything spectacular from Elon Musk about Dogecoin. He pressed the mute button on Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies, which left people thinking of how he tripped Bitcoin, causing its price to fall over. Some Dogecoin community members took to Twitter to question Musk's silence, implying that he may have ditched the asset for good. His inaction did not just attract the attention of Doge enthusiasts. John Carvalho, formerly of BitRefill, who's not even a fan of Dogecoin, quizzed Elon Musk to at least do something about Dogecoin. It was a wake-up call to him to try to salvage the ailing Doge market, even against the negative run-up of other cryptocurrencies in the crypto market. A lot of people were counting on Elon Musk to inspire Dogecoin, and a tweet that would do that was long due, even if its impact would be limited on what is affecting the entire crypto market and revive it. He finally said something just a few days ago when he tweeted, "Release the Doge." You can imagine the relief for traders and investors of Dogecoin. There was a notable spike that got it a bit up to about 25 cents, but nobody took a step back to evaluate just what it could actually mean. Could he be referring back to a past tweet that he made about what it would take for him to fully support Dogecoin? If you recall, he pointed out that only a small group of people hold large amounts of Dogecoin, with a certain wallet holding more than 28% of the total Doge supply. This has always been a cause for concern that's led to the criticism of Dogecoin. Elon Musk urged that if the whales would relinquish their holdings, it would increase the flow of Dogecoin. It seemed like a comment made in passing, but could he be calling it in right now? Looking at that tweet, "Release the Doge" literally means release the Doge, right? Who was he referring to? Since then, there's been no news that the major holders had released their holdings into the market. A single wallet holding close to 100 billion Dogecoins sure seems wrong, even if they paid for it. Elon Musk has often been acclaimed to possibly be the owner of the mysterious wallet that holds about $30 billion worth of Dogecoin. If he says release the Doge, there are suggestions that he probably already knows who's holding the wallet. But it's all just speculation. A lot seems to be relying on the achievement of that for whatever Elon Musk has seen in the long term for Dogecoin. It's not apparent what's next to expect from Dogecoin and the Doge community. If the current status of Dogecoin continues, that is, the Doge is not released, will Elon Musk still support Dogecoin? Or is it just a ploy to somehow break the ice caused by his continuous silence? Is he trying to ease himself out of the Dogecoin market? Well, we can speculate, but he's still responding to tweets about the ecosystem developments relating to Dogecoin. People are already looking forward to a life without Elon Musk supporting it. Dogecoin has to keep moving as a coin that's retained huge social media attention and still holds a key position as a viable investment with huge ROI prospects in the short term. Anyway, if he has anything specific planned out, we'll surely find out sooner rather than later. Observing the current price pattern of Dogecoin, we're still hitched on a ride at around 25 cents. On the weekly chart, Dogecoin is in the green, despite being some ways off its peak at 72 cents. There are a lot of sideways movements going on in the background that are observable only through the eyes of a crypto trader. We can look for further opportunities to buy more Dogecoin at the 20-cent support level. We don't deny the possibility that the coin could return slightly below 20 cents if the general market situation deteriorates, but it won't be something peculiar to Dogecoin, thus making it of minimal damage. It would be fitting for the coin to hold tight in consolidation at the 25 cents price range, and then it may spike and step above 35 cents, which is the least resistance on its path that may be turned on to the upside as the bulls fight to recover. That could have been its predestined moment of recovery, but we've had to endure a worse turn of events with the coin's price even slipping below 20 cents before the most recent bounce back. Traders might have a rough time trying to earn profits over the short spikes, but hodlers can keep hodling and hope for the best. In one of our most recent videos, we pointed out that there were a lot of expectations that are leaning towards the possibilities that could be in stock for the new month. June wasn't the best, and this puts a lot of pressure and even bigger anticipation on what July could hold for us all. July could be the most highly anticipated month of the year, not just for Dogecoin, but for the rest of the crypto market. There's an increasing likelihood that Dogecoin could be on the path to a majestic recovery to hit a new all-time high. Well, this seems like a regular expectation, and it's not even 50-50. We're going to keep it minimal in this instance. The price at 25 cents is currently lying below a major resistance at 27 cents. The resistance used to be a support for its price when it was at 30. Currently, with Bitcoin struggling to make any major move, we're aiming for a leading to a possible consolidation period. A surge to 50 cents has been discussed, but that will be attainable if the price can rise up to 35 cents. This will lead to the coin gaining some ground back from the bears and restoring some losses of its own. Let's set our sights on a return to the upside to trade at around 40 to 45 cents in anticipation for a general recovery of the crypto market, or maybe an independent recovery of Dogecoin. This would be the price range at which most people would prefer the coin to consolidate in. But we can't overrule the fear that a sell-off might be on the cards at that point, with many trying to capitalize on a return to their entry point or slightly above it to reap a little bit of profit. I guess we'll wait and see what happens. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. Also, now you can support us on Patreon and join our free Discord group. Links for both are in the video description and the pinned comment. If you have any questions, let us know, and be sure to check out some of our previous videos as well. As always, good luck and happy investing.